What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And yes, I finally got my Allure Beauty times Huda box. Yay! So if you want to see what I got in my box, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm so excited because, as you know, or if you don't know, I always seem to get my boxes late. And I think it's when I signed up. I signed up towards the end of the month, so I'm always getting it a month later. But I'm so happy that she is finally here. My Allure Beauty box times Huda. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So let's see what is inside. I got my handy dandy knife. We're gonna cut this box open. Yes, and open her together. You know I like sharing my stuff with you guys before I dig in it and play with it. So, ooh, I have already seen some videos. So we have a picture, little booklet with Huda on there. Yes, honey. And first up, the first thing I see that is not in the bag, it is a lipstick. It's called Allure. And I've seen other people have this in theirs as well. And I was so excited. I was hoping I would get the same one because, you know, sometimes it'd be different. So let's open her up and see. Ooh, so cute. It's a pretty red. Ooh. Oh, yeah. A very pretty red. She's more of an orangey red. Very pretty. Cute. I definitely have some outfits for her. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Ooh, and it does stain because I just tried to wipe her off and she's staining a little bit. So this is the bag that we got this month, and it's more of a pink neon-y bag, which is kind of cute. Might just give this to my daughter and she can put some little knickknacks or whatever in there. But first up, I pulled out the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. It says 100% of people said their makeup looked more radiant, 100% of people said their skin looked more hydrated, and 100% said their skin had the appearance of a full night's rest. So, the Hangover Face Primer by Too Faced. I'm excited to try that out because sometimes I do have some long nights, you know, long nights every now and then. And who doesn't want to have that radiant feeling and their face looking hydrated and just beautiful and their makeup clinging to it just right. So definitely can't wait to try this out and put it to the test. All right, so next up, we have some lashes. Yes! You guys know I love me some lashes. So there goes pictures of Huda's eyes. Ooh, and I got them in Samantha number 7. You guys know I love lashes. I will not leave the house without any lashes. I must have lashes and my brows on, and I can go without foundation and everything, but I gotta have some lashes. So I'm very happy about that, and I'm happy to try these out and see how they do. All right, next up, we have the Kylie. It's a perfume in vanilla right here. And it's a little sample size. Cute. I'm not too fond of vanilla scent, so I'm going to put this in a giveaway box. So as you know, if you don't know, I done hit 2,000 subscribers, and I will be doing my giveaway videos later this week. I'm waiting on a couple more items to come in the mail, which can come in the next couple of days. And once those come, then I'll be able to do the video. And trust me, honey, this bag's gonna be nice. This giveaway is going to be nice, so you definitely want to check it out, okay? So next up, this is from Owa Hair Care. Texturizing hairspray. Now I've seen this. My friend Jackie Naturals, she had tried this out on her channel. She sprayed it in her hair. As you know, I wear wigs, so we'll see how it does. Not I know these are some really good. This is a really good brand. This Owa, if I'm saying that right. I'm not entirely too sure. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but I know it's a good brand. So It's like dry shampoo and hairspray had a baby. Okay. So this may definitely work out on some wigs that I got that are very flat and just need some more volumizing, you know, to make it look more natural. So definitely gonna try this out on that. And then I also got the Tony Miley Intense Care Gold 24 Karat Snail Hydrogel Mask. So I am definitely excited to try this out. I have seen this, like a lot of other people have this in their package, but nobody was, you know, it has snail secretion in it. So a lot of people didn't want to put that on their face, which I understand. It, you know, yeah, you know, but I know a lot of people that like really fancy spas that do this, like they put snails on your face, or they use the secretion of the snails, the slime from the snails, to put on your face, because I'm not entirely too sure on what the secretion does. It says it filtrates and gives your skin elasticity and moisture, but I'm like, I definitely want to try it. I mean, you know, that's my opinion on it. I know, you know, doesn't sound too appealing, but at least this won't be actual snails walking all over your face. And then I mean, come on now, if we got people that are like making millions and they use this on a regular, or use snail secret, I want my skin to look like theirs. You know what I'm just saying? So we're gonna try it out and see. But I don't judge nobody that don't want to try it, because I understand, because I was a little skeptical too. I would never did it if I didn't know other people were doing it, and this is something that's actually good for your skin. So we're gonna definitely test it out, and if I like it, I may purchase some more. So here we have just another, it's a little coupon to get 25% off at Shop Huda Beauty. And then there is, you're going to want to see this. We're going to give you an exclusive sneak peek at some of the favorite products coming up in your August beauty box. Scratch off to reveal. Well, I don't even need to scratch this off, because I'm not going to get my August box till September. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to see what's going to come in there. But I was really pleased with this box. I'm happy about the mask. Oh my God, the lashes, honey. Yes, super happy about that. You can't go wrong with no primer. And a red lip, you can't go wrong with the red lip. It is more orangey. A friend has told me about that. But we gonna rock with her. Pretty sure we can mix and dip and mix and dip. You know, we got all these lipsticks and lip glosses and all these other things we can do to it. You can even put glitter pigmentation. You can put all kind of stuff on your lips. So I'm gonna try to mix this with some stuff. I probably won't just wear it straight on. But yes, this is definitely nice, and definitely try this out and see if it works. If it doesn't work, I will let y'all know, because I do have a wig in there that I need a little just more So this says that it's a texturizer and hairspray in one. So let's see if it gives it the oomph and holds it in place. So I will let you guys know and possibly do a video on that. So that's everything that I got in my box. I hope that you guys like this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to be on the lookout for my giveaway video, because I will be doing it. I'm just waiting on a couple more items, because I do not want to short my lovelies. You know what I'm saying? I do not want to short my subscribers and my family, because I love you guys so much, because you guys are showing me so much love. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't continue to keep doing this and so forth. So therefore, I want to give back, and I love getting back every time I reach a little milestone of mine. So therefore, just keep a lookout for that, because that will be coming out this week. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, guys.